spiced lamb and beef meatballs, a saffron and almond cream sauce. Let me show you how to make this. It's simpler than it looks. Add some warm water or stock to the saffron. 15 minutes minimum. Watch what happens to the color. From pale to that. Breadcrumbs soaked in milk. Then breadcrumbs, egg, garlic, and spices go into the minced meat. Cumin, coriander, cinnamon, smoked paprika, and some salt and pepper. Mix gently, just until combined. Overworking is the enemy of a good meatball. Then into a screaming hot pan. Don't touch them. Let that crust form. That crust is not just color. That's flavor. That's everything. Set the meatballs aside for now. In the same pan, add butter. Add the diced shallots. Then the garlic. Ground almonds in next. 2 minutes, let them toast. That nuttiness is going to carry the whole sauce. Then the saffron. Look at that color hit the pan. Then add the cream in and simmer for 10 minutes. Then we balance the flavor with some lemon juice. Then some honey. And some salt and pepper. Then it goes into the blender. 2 full minutes, full speed. Then through a sieve. This is what separates this sauce from every other meatball sauce you've ever had. That smoothness, that color, that depth. Meatballs back into the sauce. "10 minutes. They finish cooking. They absorb everything the sauce has to offer. Then into the bowl. Pomegranate seeds, mint, toasted almonds, a drizzle of good olive oil, flaky salt, this isn't a tomato sauce. This is something completely different.